As we step into 2026, this is not just the turning of a calendar page, it is a divine opportunity, a chance to reset your intentions, realign your habits, and reclaim control over your life. Success does not begin with motivation alone. It begins with discipline. Discipline of the heart, discipline of the mind, and discipline of the soul. Many people wait for the perfect moment, the right feeling, or the ideal condition to change. But transformation never waits for comfort. It begins the moment you decide to rise above excuses and take responsibility for who you are becoming. This year is not about doing more. It is about doing what truly matters, consistently, with sincerity and purpose. Discipline is an act of self-respect. It is choosing long-term growth over short-term comfort. It is waking up when your body wants to sleep, staying focused when distractions call, and holding yourself accountable even when no one is watching. When discipline becomes your lifestyle, procrastination loses its power and fear no longer controls your future. In 2026, make a conscious decision to be intentional with your time, mindful of your actions, and committed to your goals. Because when you discipline yourself, you don't just change your habits, you transform your destiny. As we enter the year 2026, the question is not what the world will give you, but what kind of person you are willing to become. Because every new year arrives with hope, but only disciplined souls convert hope into results. And self-discipline is not punishment. It is mercy upon your future self. It is the quiet decision you make when no one is watching. The decision to pray on time, even when tired, to wake up early, even when sleep feels heavy, to control your tongue when anger rises, to control your eyes when temptation appears, to control your time when distractions surround you. Because discipline begins with awareness and grows with intention. A disciplined person understands that the soul must be trained just like the body, because an undisciplined soul follows desires, and a disciplined soul follows purpose, and purpose gives direction to life. Without discipline, talents remain wasted, intentions remain delayed, and dreams remain words. But when discipline enters your life, excuses lose their power, laziness loses its voice, and procrastination no longer rules your day. Discipline teaches you to say no to what is easy, so you can say yes to what is meaningful. It teaches you to delay pleasure so you can earn progress. It reminds you that consistency is loved more than intensity that fades. Small actions done daily reshape character. A few minutes of focus repeated every day is stronger than hours of effort done once and abandoned. Discipline is built when you choose structure over chaos, routine over randomness, commitment over comfort. Many people want change but refuse the process. They want results without responsibility. They want success without sacrifice. But discipline demands honesty with yourself. It demands that you stop blaming circumstances and start correcting habits. It demands that you look at your daily routine and ask whether it reflects your values or contradicts them. Because your habits are louder than your intentions. Discipline also means protecting your energy, protecting your time, protecting your heart from constant negativity. Not every conversation deserves your attention. Not every opinion deserves your response. Not every distraction deserves your time. A disciplined mind knows when to engage and when to withdraw, when to speak and when to remain silent, when to rest and when to push forward. In 2026, discipline will require you to be patient with your growth, patient with your mistakes, patient with the process, because transformation is not instant, it is gradual. And every disciplined step, even when unseen, is recorded in your character. Discipline builds trust with yourself. When you keep promises to yourself, your confidence grows. When you break them repeatedly, self-doubt takes over. A disciplined life is not a restricted life. It is a focused life. It frees you from regret. It frees you from last-minute panic. It frees you from living reactively. Discipline aligns your actions with your faith, your goals, and your values. It turns ordinary days into meaningful progress. It makes your mornings intentional and your nights peaceful, because you know you did what you were supposed to do. Self-discipline also refines your inner state. It teaches emotional control, emotional maturity, emotional responsibility. You stop being controlled by moods. You stop letting emotions decide your actions. You learn to act based on principles rather than impulses. And this is where real strength is formed. Not in loud declarations, but in quiet consistency. Not in public motivation, but in private obedience. The year 2026 does not need a new version of your excuses. It needs a stronger version of your commitment. Discipline will not always feel good, but it will always do good. It will stretch you, challenge you, and test your sincerity. But through discipline, you grow into the person capable of carrying the blessings you ask for, because unprepared hands cannot hold great responsibility, and undisciplined souls struggle to sustain success. And as each day passes, discipline shapes the way you think, the way you act, the way you respond, the way you prioritize, until gradually your life begins to reflect order instead of chaos, clarity instead of confusion, direction instead of drift, and you realize that discipline was never about restriction. It was always about alignment. Alignment between who you are and who you are meant to become. Alignment between intention and action. Alignment between faith and daily practice. Alignment that turns ordinary effort into lasting impact. And as you continue to choose discipline day after day, moment after moment, decision after decision, you begin to walk with purpose, speak with restraint, act with wisdom, and carry yourself with a sense of responsibility that transforms not only your outcomes, but your entire way of living. Because discipline does not change your life overnight. It changes you first. And when you change, your habits change. When your habits change, your direction changes. And when your direction changes, your destination follows. And this journey of discipline in 2026 begins with one conscious choice made sincerely, followed by another and another, even when it feels difficult, even when results seem delayed, even when motivation fades. Because discipline remains when motivation leaves. And it continues to guide you forward as long as you are willing to remain committed to the process, to growth, to accountability, to becoming better than yesterday, to choosing purpose over comfort, to choosing consistency over excuses, to choosing responsibility over blame, to choosing discipline as a lifelong companion that shapes your days, your character, your legacy, and the unseen strength within you that grows quietly every time you choose what is right over what is easy. Discipline is not built on motivation, because motivation is emotional and emotions change. Discipline is built on commitment, and commitment remains even when feelings fade, because a purposeful life cannot depend on how you feel on a particular day. It must depend on what you have decided. And consistency is the visible proof of that decision. Showing up daily even when progress feels slow, even when no one applauds, even when results are not immediate, because real growth happens quietly, beneath the surface, long before it becomes visible. Consistency teaches patience, and patience teaches trust in the process. When you repeat small actions every day, they begin to shape your identity. You no longer struggle to force discipline. It becomes natural. It becomes part of who you are. And this is why consistency is more powerful than sudden bursts of effort. Because intensity may impress people for a moment, but consistency transforms a life over time. In 2026, many will start strong and stop early, but disciplined individuals understand that sustainability matters more than speed. They understand that it is better to take steady steps forward than to rush and burn out. Because lasting success is built on rhythms, routines, and repetition, not on dramatic starts and emotional declarations. Consistency requires you to honor your daily responsibilities even when they feel ordinary, because ordinary days are the foundation of extraordinary outcomes. It is easy to be disciplined when life is calm, but true consistency is revealed during difficulty, during pressure, during disappointment, when you still choose to remain upright, focused, and intentional, when you still pray, work, learn, and improve despite emotional weight. A consistent person does not wait for perfect conditions. They work with what they have, where they are, and who they are becoming. They understand that progress compounds, that effort today supports strength tomorrow. That discipline practiced daily builds resilience that cannot be shaken by temporary setbacks. And every time you return to your routine after feeling tired, discouraged, or distracted, you strengthen your inner authority. Consistency also builds trust with yourself and trust from others. When your actions align with your words repeatedly, credibility grows, reliability forms, and confidence stabilizes. Because confidence is not loud, it is calm. It comes from knowing that you will do what you said you would do, regardless of how you feel in the moment. Inconsistent habits create emotional instability, but consistent habits create emotional safety. Your mind feels secure when your life has structure, when your days have intention, when your priorities are clear. Discipline removes decision fatigue because you no longer debate what to do. You simply do what you have committed to doing. And this mental clarity allows you to focus on growth rather than chaos. Consistency also protects you from regret, because regret is often born from neglect, from repeated delay, from unfinished intentions. But when you remain consistent, even imperfectly, you reduce the weight of regret because you know you tried, you know you stayed present, you know you honored the process, and that knowledge gives peace. A disciplined and consistent life is not about being harsh with yourself. It is about being honest with yourself, recognizing your limits while still holding yourself accountable, allowing rest without abandoning responsibility, allowing flexibility without losing direction. Because consistency does not mean rigidity. It means faithfulness to your purpose, even when the path adjusts. As 2026 unfolds, consistency will require humility. Humility to start small, humility to repeat basic actions, humility to grow slowly, because slow growth is still growth, and steady effort is still progress. And every consistent action, no matter how small it seems, is a vote for the person you are becoming, shaping your character quietly, firmly, and deeply, until discipline no longer feels like effort, but alignment between intention and action, between belief and behavior, between goals and daily choices, alignment that carries you forward step by step, day by day, moment by moment, strengthening your resolve, refining your focus, and anchoring your life in purpose through consistency that does not depend on emotion, applause, or ease, but on a sincere commitment to remain present, responsible, and intentional in every season of the year and beyond.